Today, we have exciting news about a brand new hotel coming to West Cary, North Carolina. Last September 2023, CN Hotels, a High Point development group, submitted plans for an AC hotel by Marriott on NC 55 at North Carolina Highway 540 to the Cary Council. This 7-story hotel is set to feature 144 rooms on a nearly 4-acre lot across from Parkside Town Commons on O'Kelly Chapel Road. For those who might not know, Parkside Town Commons is a bustling shopping center home to a Target, Harris Teeter, Five Guys, Bank of America, and Paragon Theaters. It's a prime location for both business and leisure travelers. Renderings show that the first floor of the hotel will include a lobby bar, kitchen and dining area, a market, salon, and fitness room. Guests can enjoy a patio, gathering space, and a 144-space parking lot. CN Hotels purchased the lot for $2.3 million in July 2021. This company is no stranger to the hospitality industry, with several other hotel projects planned across North Carolina, including in downtown Raleigh, Charlotte, and Research Triangle Park. AC Hotels by Marriott are known for their stylish design and European-inspired accommodations. Guests can look forward to a chic and modern environment catering to business and leisure travelers. We're looking forward to seeing this hotel bring new energy and convenience to Cary. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development.